Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a sports exterior and interior look, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, natural grain black wood, heated seats, memory seats, ambient light, power windows, heated steering wheel. We got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, glass back center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 43,740 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.